Kenchumnoskote. I'm actually an electrical engineer and always loved skin, and it was kind of a passion that drove me to start the Med Spa in the US almost 13 years ago. Thanks to my husband's support as being what I love the most, my passion. Yes, skin, but then also my engineering background has made me choose the right treatments because science and technology, and now I'm bringing skin into it, then it changes everything. I do understand all about lasers, but when you bring in skin, it changes, it has a totally different perspective. So all of these things have mattered in how we have curated a lot of the things, the treatments that we do here versus the treatments that we do in the US as well. Because we have to keep in mind there's two different skin tones and colors and the genetics that we are dealing with, which is not the same. So I think a lot of that has played a role in coming up with a very customized menu for both our patients and clients either here or in the US. What for me the most important thing is to deliver the real authentic things to our clients, making sure we can give them a long-lasting result. You want to wake up to a nice glowing skin irrespective of whatever is going on in your life, and how can that be achieved? Skin health is the biggest thing behind Maya. Whatever we do, for us, our objective end of the day is how do we give you a healthy skin? What is skin health? Can it be achieved at any given age? And our answer to it is yes. So that is what is the strong foundation of Maya, and that's how we have brought in one of our most popular treatment, hydrofacial that we carry over here. This is a company based out in California. They have about 65 patents they use, the solutions to the tips to how the machine is built, because the way it has got a loop system where everything that gets sucked out from your skin to what we infuse, they never cross over each other, so there is no cross contamination. So that is a patent that this company holds, and that is what I like to tell a lot of our clients is please do your due diligence of finding what is authentic, what is real. Somebody, if they're offering less price, have a question mark. I know all of us want a discounted thing, but why is it that the discounted thing is most of the time needed or wanted by clients when it comes to skin, not your other organs in your body, not your heart, not your kidney, but the skin, and it is the largest organ, don't forget it. I always say, you are like a Lamborghini, your skin is like a Lamborghini, don't put the bad fuel in it.